And if we say this out loud logically, I think we can all agree that the cause of your headache today is not due to a deficiency of an aspirin or an ibuprofen. I know when I say that out loud, it kind of just sounds like I'm being a smart butt, but let's think about it. You really aren't deficient in ibuprofen or aspirin. And so even though in the short term, it is potentially making your headache go away. And when we're in those desperate times and we can't sleep or it's really affecting our day, potentially we can see some benefit to taking those things for that. But we're not getting to the root cause of the problem. And in some cases, we're doing harm. Let's look at back pain. I can guarantee you do not have back pain today because of a deficiency, once again, in ibuprofen, right? The cause of your back pain is not because your body lacks ibuprofen, but it's treating the symptom, not the cause. So the cause, what is causing the back pain? What is causing the headache? Not treating the inflammation of what's going on. Yes, that's important at times. But I'll tell you one thing uniquely, we will have symptoms or side effects of those medications downstream if we're not getting to the root cause. Look at ibuprofen, for example. People don't even understand this, but when we have pain, we have an injury, there's an inflammatory cycle that's going to take place. And if we don't want that inflammatory cycle to be out of control, but it needs to happen for healing to take place. So when you have a typical ache or pain and you take ibuprofen over and over and over again, and you're stopping that healing process, stopping the inflammatory process, essentially you're telling your body, I don't want to heal. And when I say that out loud, a lot of you are like, what are you talking about? You mean I shouldn't be taking ibuprofen when I have pain? And no, again, you're not getting to the cause. You're just treating the symptom. You're treating the pain. You're not getting to what is actually causing the pain to begin with.